One of the biggest frustrations for fleet owners and managers is having a truck down due to damages. Your immediate thoughts are, how long will my truck be out of service? Extensive downtime can mean loss of revenue and credibility. Imagine if there was a company that could start working to get your truck back on the road in as little as 24 hours. FleetFast does just that. Simply start by going to www.fleetfastsolutions.com and navigating to our Quick Quotes page. From there, you will fill out a few information fields and upload some pictures. Our experts will take it over from there and have an estimate back to you within 24 hours. Have a large job? Reach out to us and we'll have a pro estimator come out and write a comprehensive estimate on site at no charge. Once estimates have been received and approved, we send out our team of drivers to pick up your vehicle via our complimentary concierge service. Now comes the real magic. Upon arrival, our team of experts start repairing your vehicle with urgency, having the fastest turnaround time in the industry. Once all repairs are completed, we deliver your truck back to your premises free of charge. Fleet Fast. We keep your trucks on the road.